Alright, so this video is going to be about the material choices and kind of quality. As you can see, when you put heavy stuff on here, the carpeting stuff gets all screwed up. So this is not a very good material choice. Also, all the little dirt and crumbs get stuck in there and it's very difficult to get out. Alright, let me show you the liner as well. That's also like not too good. Alright, so the liner on these pillars, I think someone tried to use this as like a handle to get in the car because they don't have handles here. And I don't know if you can see that. Let me see. It's like at certain angles, it's very, very visible. You can see those lines. See? So someone, like, I think tried to grab this to get in the car, and then their hand just slips and it scratches it all up. And there's no way you can like fix that. I mean, I don't know, I guess you can replace this piece, but yeah, you can't fix that. All right, and then let me show you another part of the this thing. All right, so I don't know how this happened, but as you can see, that thing's coming out, and I don't know, something like pulled it out or made a hole in it. Let me actually move around so I can see this better. There you go. It's more visible from out here, I guess. All right there. So you see that? And there's nothing you can do to fix this kind of stuff. It's not like just some fuzz that you can fix. It's like literally there's like a hole in the material or something. So yeah, there's nothing you can do about that. So I don't know. I feel like this is not a really good material. They should use that fuzzy foam stuff or the Alcantara or whatever that they use on other cars. But yeah, this material, not too great. Yeah, I don't know if somebody has a solution for how you can like cover, if there's a thing you can cover it, maybe to change the color of it or whatever. But yeah, and then also to make the material stronger. But yeah, those are my complaints with material stuff. Oh, also the seats I haven't tried yet. Ugh. So I've heard so many people say like stains and stuff on these are easy to clean. Let me see, it's hard to see it now because it's dark. But I remember seeing like, oh here, so on this seat there's this color. So people said use baby wipes, so let me try that real quick because I haven't tried. All right, I think I got some baby wipes in here. Yep. So let's go ahead and try some baby wipes and see. I haven't tried wiping this yet, so I'm not sure. I don't know what caused that mark. Maybe pants, jeans. All right, and let's see. Yeah, that's not coming out. I don't think so. Okay, so when people say these are really easy to clean, I think they're just saying stuff because no, it's not. You can see it's not coming out at all. All right, and yeah, we're using baby wipes like people suggest. So in terms of ease to clean, that's a lie. Another thing, this material in here, I'm not sure why they use this fuzzy material. This barely fits my phone. So if you have one of the really large phones, I have a Note or S22 Ultra, which is like one of the Samsung Note phones. But with a case on, it barely fits in here. It's pretty, like, sometimes it's a little difficult to get it in. Depending on your case, if you have a larger case, might be even more difficult. Let's see if I can wipe this stuff off. It's a little discolored. I mean, that stuff kind of cleans up, but it's not like pristine white again. Okay, so don't be fooled into thinking that this stuff is super easy to clean. I don't know who's spreading those rumors or why they're spreading those rumors. I mean, the car is the car. It's gonna get dirty. It is what it is. As long as you're able to live with that, then go for it. I mean, I like the color of the white seats, so even though it gets stained and dirty, it's okay. It still looks really nice. All right, but yeah. And this aftermarket thing I got for free, and I'm just using it because I like how squishy it is. I don't like how it looks, actually. But I'm not that picky. I'm okay with sacrificing with the looks because it adds extra comfort and usability. So, this... Okay, I think you're okay now. Let me see my headrest if it's dirty or not, because I use my oh, what is this? How does it get dirty up here? Okay, that kind of cleans off whatever that gray stuff is, but not perfectly. Okay, as you can see, it's not perfect. There's still some stuff there. Okay, so whoever said this is easy to clean, there's some marks there too. I don't know where that came from because I don't do that. I guess maybe people in the back seat, they like grab with their hand there. That's probably what happened. But yeah, all right. And then also these little grooves get all these little crumbs and stuff stuck in it. A little bit of a pain to clean. Okay. All right, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully this video helps some of you guys decide on yeah, what you want and things like that. Also, I don't know how this, like, it came with marks like that, but I'm pretty sure they're not going to replace that for me. Yeah, but all those little like things, kind of minor annoyances. All right, but nothing like too bad. All right, and then you get all this dust that piles up on this thing. I feel like the dash actually should be all light colored, so that way the dust isn't so visible when you sit here. But yeah, I mean, it looks nice when it's super clean, but then you got to make sure it's always like dust free. So maybe that's a good thing for some people, because then they make sure their car's clean. But oops, but that's pretty much it. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Oh yeah, also I put this thing up here. Before I put it in the back, but people kept hitting their head on it. Now I hit my head on it when I like lean over to like clean and do stuff. But yeah, I haven't really used this much for anything, but I'll probably end up, like, if I'm like just sitting in my seat relaxing, I'll use it. But the problem is currently the Bluetooth has a really bad lag when it plays back from my phone. So watching videos from my phone is basically useless because it lags so bad. But yeah, anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching. That's another weird quality thing that they said they're trying to work on. I think the technicians didn't really understand my problem because they thought that I was talking about to the boombox, but I'm not talking about the boombox. I'm talking about the actual internal speakers. But anyways, those are my complaints with quality issues of stuff and things like that, other than just the build quality itself, but like material choices. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.